See the full shop loop in Inventory Pro: buy stock, receive it, sell it, then check create a purchase order with a supplier, products, quantities, and cost prices. Receive the goods into your warehouse with a goods received note so stock goes up. Confirm inventory stock levels after receiving, your warehouse is ready to sell. Ring up a POS sale with the new stock, cart, tax, and cash checkout. Review sales history with paid invoices and live totals. Open reports for sales performance and business intelligence. That is purchase to sale in one system. Subscribe for more Inventory Pro demos.